So this is the engine test. I usually don't show this part, I just show you guys the finished product, but today I have a cameraman, so yeah, he goes here. So this is how I glue stuff. So let's see the chaos. So first oh god. Okay, so first I add glue and I kind of shit my pants because I'm freaking out. I'm like, oh no, did I make a mistake? I might have to restart. Okay, and then I put the glue away, right? Then I have to place it here. Uh-oh. Okay, so that's how I glue stuff. Hugo, get the ruler! Get the ruler! Let me make sure it's the right size. It's good.
Let's go.
It's good. It's in. It perfectly fits. That's what she said.
Bruh.
And so far everything's going good except the nozzle. This was eyeball. Big mistake. If this thing goes down, it's because of the engine. I'm not gonna lie. We'll see how this will go though. I'm sorry, but Hugo forgot to film this part. So I added these together. I finished gluing all that, and I'm adding these last pieces to finish the engine placement. It's holding really good right now. So, really happy.